It looks like this is now the place in time that we look at Shiba Inu versus other Metaverse crypto. Since it's been several weeks of plummeting despair for the coin, is it going to come back? Did the whales buy it so they could sell out at every gain in order to dash the hopes of the other investors ever gaining an inch? There has been so much manipulation with the coins, and it does make sense that whales are buying Shib so they can sell off at any gain the coin might have. It's much better to gain 8% a week on their money than it is 10% a year. So if they can pump it, by burning the coin, have it ratchet up, and then take that gain, they make millions in a few days. And that is exactly what is happening. Fortunately, if that's what they are doing, they are paying astronomical fees to do it. So rest assured they aren't getting to keep all of those millions they are making. But, they are going to scrape off the project till its death, that is apparent. The whales look to be people like Bill Gates and Warren Buffett, who have their workers do the work so they can say they have no hand in any of the protocol. Here are a couple of factors to look at when analyzing Shiba Inu's worth. Shiba Inu's rise to fame. For a long time, cryptocurrency enthusiasts were only interested in one meme coin. Dogecoin burst into the public consciousness and has been there ever since. Another token appeared on the scene a short while afterwards. Shiba Inu has acquired a large following of admirers. As time is going on, it eventually surpassed Dogecoin in the ranks of cryptocurrencies based on market capitalization. However, that did not endure for long. Dogecoin has risen to the no. 11 position in terms of cryptocurrency market capitalization, while Shiba Inu has fallen to the no. 13 position. Is it possible for Shiba Inu to reclaim its power over Doge? Will Shib regain its traction? There are various grounds to assume that the Shiba Inu will regain control of Dogecoin in the future. A number of possible catalysts for the cryptocurrency might emerge along the road. Two of these factors have the potential to drive the price of Shiba Inu surging. However, they would merely put it on a same footing with Dogecoin in terms of competition. AMC Entertainment aims to accept Shiba Inu coins as a form of payment for its films. Customers may currently purchase gift cards from the movie theater chain using Dogecoin, according to the company. Robinhood may potentially opt to include Shiba Inu on its trading platform in the future. To be honest, it's impossible to predict whether or not anything like this will occur. Executives at Robinhood have indicated publicly that they are not in a rush to expand the number of cryptocurrencies accessible to investors. In reality, even if Shiba Inu is introduced to the trading platform, it will just be catching up to its primary competitor. Customers that use Robinhood can already purchase and sell Dogecoin. The Shiba Inu, on the other hand, may be boosted by a number of additional factors that might make it more appealing than Dogecoin. For example, the upcoming launch of Shibarium, Shib's Layer 2 blockchain project, will result in a large reduction in transaction costs for the Shib exchange. More variables surrounding Shiba Inu and Dogecoin. There are a variety of variables that influence the values of cryptocurrencies, as follows. Some companies limit the amount of token available. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, on the other hand, are not like that. The total number of Dogecoins in circulation is around 132.5 billion coins at the moment. Shiba Inu coins have a circulation quantity of more than 549 trillion coins. When it comes to meme currencies such as Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, the price is mostly determined by demand. And that demand is a direct outcome of the excitement that has surrounded cryptocurrencies. Google Trends is one of the most accurate indicators of public interest. The search volumes for the terms Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin are showing there is about the same amount of sentiment for each project. Shiba Inu has gained ground on Dogecoin in the last 30 days. These catalysts have the potential to generate much greater internet interest in the Shiba Inu. Dogecoin, on the other hand, has the support of Elon Musk on its side. Musk's SpaceX is planning to launch its Doge 1 satellite in early 2022, according to the company. Dogecoin was used to finance the development of the project. With the spacecraft scheduled to reach lunar orbit, Doge might be on its way to the moon. And in final summation, is it possible for Shiba Inu to surpass Dogecoin once again in the cryptocurrency rankings? There is no way to predict whether or not Shib will come back in the near future. Cryptocurrency investors, on the other hand, who are searching for the largest returns may be better off going somewhere else. Other digital tokens, rather than Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, are possibly more likely to see explosive growth in 2022 than either of these two cryptocurrencies. And those projects are more useful in the world than these two. But, this doesn't mean that you couldn't still analyze and trade this coin to make gains. If you are so inclined to continue chasing Shib, learning how to read the performance by looking at sites like Coinbase.com will help you gain insight, but that's a whole other lesson that can be taught by crypto trade videos. Number 4. Should you buy this coin? Shiba Inu has amazed investors with its meteoric rise through the ranks of the cryptocurrency market. It is presently the 13th most valuable cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization. And it's risen by more than 44 million% so far this calendar year. Today, it would take a far smaller increase, around 2 million%, to get it up to the $1 threshold. Shiba Inu is now just worth a fraction of a penny on the market. Because of this, even a tiny investment might result in substantial wealth if cryptocurrency continues to gain traction in the market. So, the main issue today is whether you should invest in this exciting cryptocurrency while it is trading below $1 per coin. Now, where to invest in Metaverse? Real estate. Here are 2 of the best Metaverse real estate crypto to start plowing into. 2 business leaders are placing large bets on the possibility that pixels in an imagined area could one day be as precious as, if not more valuable than, actual houses in the finest areas. Lorne Sugarman, CEO of the Metaverse Group, and Republic Realm co-founder Janine Yorio said that their recent purchase of land in the Metaverse in what is becoming a $1 trillion market is an indication of the company's growing importance to them. Earlier this month, Sugarman's team at Metaverse Group spent $2.43 million in Bitcoin to purchase a home in what is known as the Fashion Street sector of Decentraland, an online, virtual-only world in which Sugarman believes big things are destined to happen in the near future. Sugarman told the crypto news media, The Insider, "We think the Fashion District purchase is like buying on Fifth Avenue back in the 1800s. Republic's world record-breaking $4.3 million purchase of land in the Sandbox Metaverse was the equivalent of buying a city, according to Yorio, who predicts that the development that her team subsequently builds there will attract users who access the world through their computers, phones, and tablets. We want to purchase land and construct structures on it," she said on the website. If there are activities, people to meet, and places to see when you arrive in the Metaverse, that is the only way the Metaverse will be fascinating to you. The 2 CEOs assert that they are not making investments on the basis of pure speculation. In the matter of who will really win in the Metaverse, let's do a deeper dive into the underlying aspects of the real first players in creating this new world. The Metaverse, which was formerly considered a fringe notion favored by IT geeks, has now become a worldwide phenomenon. The term Metaverse, invented by science fiction writer Neal Stephenson in 1992, was used to depict a parallel universe in which individuals interacted with one another in 3D virtual space, or as avatars. Now, the word Metaverse has become widely accepted, and it is widely regarded to represent a significant development potential. Earlier this week, Mark Shmulik, an internet analyst at Bernstein, said that the Metaverse is expected to be very enormous, with a total annual run rate of most marketplaces approaching $2 trillion and climbing. It's likely because of this that Mark Zuckerberg said earlier this year that he wanted to transfer the firm away from its exclusive concentration on social networks and toward a more immersive notion geared at the Metaverse, rather than a more traditional social network. The recent renaming of Facebook as Meta Platforms is the first important move in this direction. Despite the fact that the social media behemoth has made significant strides in integrating virtual reality into daily life with the Oculus VR device, it is not alone in this endeavor. Companies like Microsoft are expected to be key participants in the Metaverse, in addition to Meta Platforms and similar entities. Microsoft is thought to be developing virtual productivity capabilities for its HoloLens headgear, which is a rival to the Oculus Rift. These features will allow for new ways to communicate online using the HoloLens headset. Apple, which is expected to be introducing its own AR glasses in 2022, is also gunning for a piece of the Metaverse pie in the near future. Apple's years of investment in consumer hardware, according to Shmulik, has given the iPhone company a significant competitive edge. Citing the affection that people have for the Apple brand, as well as the company's skill in related fields, in the Metaverse, it's more than probable that your efforts will pay off. Apple has not acknowledged that it is developing augmented reality glasses, but according to Wedbush Securities analyst Dan Ives, the product could increase the company's worth by $20 per share. Apple, according to Ives, has a great position going forward, taking advantage of this tremendous market potential, as well as getting into the larger Metaverse ecosystem. While experts have praised Apple, Microsoft, and Meta for their VR and AR capabilities, it is becoming more evident that the firms that succeed in the Metaverse will not always be consumer hardware companies. He pointed out that companies such as Matterport, which develops 3D places, like mapping a property that's for sale and promoting it via real estate agents, have rocketed to the top of his firm's list of Metaverse winners in recent years. Last month, Ives increased his price objective for Matterport to $38, stating that the company is in the sweet spot. We are in the early stages of a remarkable growth story. While it is still too early to predict who will emerge as the victors of the metaverse and market potential, the success of virtual social spaces such as Roblox and Fortnite, which draw millions of users every day, provides a glimpse into the degree of interest that currently exists. Furthermore, the advent of non-fungible tokens and cryptocurrencies, which may be used to conduct transactions in the metaverse, has the potential to allow permanent virtual experiences in a safe manner. Consider the fact that even Nike is prepared to offer virtual footwear, according to industry experts. What about virtual residences or virtual holidays, for example? Analysts at Jefferies describe it as a new platform for the digital era, and they predict that the metaverse will be the next big thing. This is the most significant disruption humanity have ever seen. Therefore, investors interested in capitalizing on the metaverse might draw comparisons between the metaverse and the early stages of the internet. As a result, Jefferies recommends that investors consider how the internet was built, who were winners in terms of hardware when it was formed, and who were winners in terms of software when it was constructed and hosted. Place a wager on both. That's all on our end. Be sure to subscribe and comment that you've subscribed and we will reply back.